To book a hotel with American Airlines miles, start by logging into your AAdvantage account on the American Airlines website. Once logged in, navigate to the Book Travel tab and select the Hotels option. American Airlines has partnered with Hotels.com to offer over 250,000 hotel options worldwide. Next, enter your travel dates and destination to search for available hotels. You can filter your search by price, location, and hotel rating to find the best option for your needs. Keep in mind that the number of miles required for a hotel booking will vary depending on the hotel and dates of your stay. When you find a hotel you like, click on it to view the details and pricing. The price will be displayed in both dollars and miles. To book the hotel using miles, select the Pay with Miles option. You will need to have sufficient miles in your AAdvantage account to cover the cost of the booking. It's also important to note that booking a hotel with miles is considered a revenue ticket, which means you will earn miles on your stay, but you will not earn hotel loyalty points. Additionally, some hotels may not offer all amenities or services when booked with miles. So be sure to review the hotel's policies before booking. To complete your booking, follow the prompts to enter your personal and payment information. You will need to provide a credit card to cover any incidental charges, such as food or parking. Once your booking is confirmed, you will receive an email with your hotel reservation details. As a best practice, be sure to compare the price of booking a hotel with miles to the cash price to ensure you are getting the best value for your miles. You can also consider using a combination of miles and cash to book your hotel stay. By following these steps and considering your options, you can effectively use your American Airlines miles to book a hotel and make the most of your rewards.